Okay, we're gonna see if we can get Lainey to talk. And maybe smile a little. Right, Lainey? Right, baby? Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Hey, baby. Come on, sweetie. Come on. You can give Mama a hello? Oh, really? Wow. Say hello. Oh, that's a sneeze. Hey? Ow. You make sounds? Oh, good job. Got any more? Do you have any more? Come on, baby. Where's my happy baby? Where's my happy baby? Where is he? Oh, where's my happy baby? Where's my happy baby? That's not my happy baby, that's the crusty baby. Where's the happy baby? There he is. Where's my happy baby? Where is he? See? Just to give people an idea, this is now the size of Peanut. Yeah, a little bit bigger. He was 13 pounds 6½ ounces yesterday. Definitely becoming a chunky monkey and definitely talking a lot more. Oh, and we're a little tired. As you can see, there are evidence of leg chunkies. Yep. Usually lots of smiles, but he doesn't seem to be too smiley right now. No, oh, there we go. There's a smile. Hey? Yeah. Where's my happy boy? Where is he? Where's my happy boy? Where is he? Where's my happy boy? And we've also discovered we like chewing on our hands. Where's my happy boy? Oh, really? That's a good story. Where's my happy boy? Where is he? Ooh. Where's my happy boy? There he is. There he is. Say bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye.